Bonjour. So very good morning to all of you children. So today in this video I will be doing some revision of making sentences singular to plural and plural to singular because many kids are facing problem in it. Okay, so I am explaining it once again. Please have a look here. First of all, you should understand this that how to make the sentences into singular and plural. Okay, so as you know that these four are the singular pronouns je, tu, il, elle, and these four are the plural pronouns nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so the conjugation of these verbs, like these pronouns, the conjugation with these pronouns, if we are talking about adverb, so it will be je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, and here nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, now if we look about the examples, so in French example is known as exemple. Okay, so I have written 4 example using all these 4 pronouns. Okay, so first one I have written je suis étudiant, I am a student, I am a student. So if we are talking about I am a student, so je will become nous. ठीक है, तो je की जगह हम लिखेंगे nous, and suis was the conjugated verb of je. So if we are using nous here, so we will write the conjugated verb of nous. Okay, so it will be nous sommes. Okay, then one student was there, one से ज़्यादा या more students हैं, then we will use they. Okay, so we will write they and then étudiants with s because it has become plural. Okay, now the next one is elle est Italian, she is Italian. So she is Italian will become they are Italian. Feminine के लिए, so feminine के लिए हम use करते हैं elle. So again elle a के साथ यहाँ पे elles sont, so elles sont and Italian, but यहाँ पे हम s लगाएंगे. Okay, whenever we are making the sentences into plural, so each and every word will become in plural. Okay, singular से plural. Then il est grand, he is big, so it will be ils sont grands. यहाँ पे देखिए il की जगह il आ गया, then a की जगह sont लिखा and grand की जगह हमने लिखा grand with s. And the last one is tu es chinois, you are Chinese. Okay, so here tu a की जगह we will write vous êtes chinois, but here we are not writing extra s. Remember this. Why? Because this spelling is already ending at s. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम एक्स्ट्रा एस नहीं लगाएंगे. हाँ, अगर यहाँ पे ई होता chinoise, then we put s here. Okay, ठीक है. Now plural sentence to singular. This we have done singular to plural. Now if the plural sentence given to you and you have to convert it into singular, then what you will do? So again we will do the vice versa thing. So first I have written all the plural pronouns and then the singular pronouns. Okay, so examples: nous sommes contents, we are happy. So we are happy will become nous will become je, sommes will become suis. Okay, so je suis and यहाँ पे content का हम s हटा देंगे. So what will come? Content. Je suis content, I am happy. Okay, now here vous êtes française, vous की जगह आ जाएगा tu and et की जगह आ जाएगा a. So you, tu, a, français, and you will cut s here, last s कट जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा française, but this is a feminine spelling, so it means we are talking about a girl. You are French, she is a girl. Okay, ils sont médecins, they are doctors, so they will become he, il est médecin without s. Okay, and elles sont danseuses, they are dancers, so it will become elle est danseuse, she is dancer. ठीक है, so we are converting each and every word into singular here. Now some more example to make you more clear. Okay, I have taken only one word that is big in English. Okay, so in French we can write it in 4 ways: grand for masculine singular, grande for feminine singular, grande with s masculine plural, and grande with s feminine plural. Okay, so you can see the last letter difference here. Okay, and when we use these words, first one is he is big. अब he is big है मतलब boy है, तो हम ये वाली spelling use करेंगे. So il est grand. She is big, it means she is a girl. So elle est grande. They are big for masculine, it means boys का group है. They all are big, so we will write ils sont grands. And they are big for feminine, so we will write elles sont grandes. Okay, so you have to just learn these endings. Alright children, so I hope this is clear to you. Do more practice of these sentences so it will be more clear to you. Okay, so merci, au revoir.